Vagary. They bugged the voice for traveling to whatever the fuck is bugged. I should put that in. Let's see what they say about Sombras. Voice chat. I'm in team chat.
Everything can be hacked, and everyone.
What's up, guys?
Hey.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
I always liked working with you, Winston. No awkward small talk.
Always liked working with you too. You have a great sense of humor.
5, 4, 3, 2,
I got it.
1. Attack commences. Capture objective A.
¿Qué onda? Beacon replaced.
Rally to my position.
Mercy top, Mercy.
Mercy dead. Ryan hacked. Got one. Got the junker.
Much better. Hey there. Feeling much better.
Fuck!
My EMP is charging. Much better.
We got 2 down. We should probably retreat. Oh, maybe not. Right hack. I just killed one. I'm in the kill feed right now. Got one. Winnable engagement. EMP in the pocket.
Lucio's coming in. Lucio's weak. Near our spawn.
Oh, easy stagger. Hacked. Easy kill. Nice.
Nice.
Super staggered. Get ready for an EMP. Get ready to push up, guys. EMP in like 25 seconds. Less than that. No, closer to 20. Closer to 20 now. EMP at 3:30. EMP right now. Push up heavy. Push up heavy.
We're not all here.
Okay, my bad. Ryan is hacked. Not hacked. Okay, I'm gonna change to Bastion. Actually, I'm gonna stay on Sombra.
EMP is charging. ¿Qué tal?
You can hack Lucy, I can play it.
My ultimate is charged.
Okay, I'll go for it. I don't have an angle. We killed one. Lucio hack, Lucio hack, Lucio hack. Good kill.
Sombra,
Vulnerable engagement. Ryan hack. Not Ryan hack. Hog hacked in the back.
Mercy.
Hog hacked.
Reinhardt weak.
Oh, fall back, fall back, fall back, fall back, fall back, fall back, fall back. We don't have numbers. We have 2 down.
Don't make mistakes.
We have EMP ready. We can EMP for next fight. I think I should wait for another ult though. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should we just EMP with no other ults or combo with something? Hog top hacked. Hog hacked. Top. Hog hacked. Hog gets whole hog.
If we get a pick, we should just push with it.
The Mercy's half. She's getting healed. Mercy half. Reaper behind. Okay, I'm gonna EMP and then I'll change.
Oh manches. I might need this later.
We have 2 ults to combo with the EMP. Although Lucia won't do it, so combo the coalescence with it. Wait
Reaper
for
behind,
our...
Reaper.
Sorry, no one die right now. Wait for our Moira. Please try your best not to die right now. We need a full push. We have quite a ways to go. Try not to die right now. Just be safe. We can combo the whole hog and maybe the coalescence with the EMP. Wait that out. Wait that out. They burn 2 ults. They burn the whole hog. They burn the EMP.
Seconds remaining.
We have 2 dead right now. I'm just waiting for a good time to EMP. Can EMP next time these guys come up. We have a kill. 5 on 5. Let's try to EMP with the 5 on 5. Oh, they rezzed one. They rezzed one. I don't know. Yeah, don't wait. Just wait. Just wait. Wait for a hog. We have 1 push left until for the checkpoint. Please try not to die right now. Try your best not to die right now. We can't afford a death. EMP very soon. Get ready to push up. Get ready to push up heavy. Push up heavy right now.
Sombra's on our right.
Push up, push up, push up. EMP, push up, push up, push up, push up. Two kills. Both, 1 tank, 1 healer, 1 tank, 1, both tanks down. Both taking. Ryan hacked has shattered. Ryan hacked has shattered. Mercy, Mercy half. Mercy dead. Fucking, why does it go through the payload? That's the dumbest shit. That is the dumbest shit. Why does it go through the payload? Okay, two kills. They're tank and healer down. We can maybe win this. Keep contesting.
Reaper, we get the Reaper.
Reaper don't have no wraith. Reaper no wraith. Focus Reaper.
People are obsessed with Genji. He doesn't work a lot.
Score 1-0. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
mal.
The thing is, we can't run Zen solo heal, so.
I was saying that before he changed.
Be right back. Translocating. Been here all along.
Hello. Hello. Greetings.
Attackers
Greetings.
incoming in 30 seconds.
Hello. Hello.
5,
Hello.
4, 3,
Always give
Hello.
yourself
1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
a initiating.
They have Sombra, Hanzo, Ryan, Hog, Moira.
They're going right? The right side?
Later. Ahorita regreso.
They're one down.
Good job. Good job, got 2.
I got hugged.
Always leave yourself a backfill. ¿Qué onda?
Got 1. Got 2. Oh, we're down 1. It's okay. It's okay. We're
Ryan
5
has
on
weak, Ryan has
4 in the
weak.
front. 5 on 4 in the front. The Ryan's weak, charging backwards. We're okay in the front. We have sight.
We all my ultimate is
EMP
almost
soon. Try to build those ults quick.
here. I am.
Gotta win that ult battle.
Initiating.
EMP soon.
They're going up, they're going upstairs, they're going upstairs.
Okay. We're going upstairs. Hog fall back to fight upstairs. Some worse hacks. We have 2 kills. We have 2 kills. We have 3 kills. Save ult. Save ult. Save ult. Save ult. Save ult.
The hog on point, but
Lucio hack. Lucio hack. Lucio hack. Cancelled it.
don't let Ryan get the tick.
Good
Nice
shit,
job.
guys. Good stop.
Gracias. Beacon in place.
We have EMP for next fight. Build that supercharger ASAP, my dudes. Build that coalescence.
Widow now.
Copy.
They have Moira solo heal. Running 30 DPS.
Nice. Good headshot. Genji left side by himself. Genji by himself.
If you hack that Genji, is completely useless.
Copy. It was on CD.
Ahorita regreso.
Good Reaper kill.
Gotcha.
Genji hacked. Good help. Good help. Fall out. Fall back, Farrah, please.
I might need this later.
They went one out again.
Okay, we're doing okay. We're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. We have 3 ults in the pocket. Only 1 minute. Very close to the supercharger. Try not to use all that ults at once if we can. Try to use like 2 ults at a time. Good headshots, Heyo. I know he's not in chat, but it's reflexive. They're going right again. They're going right again. Korean Hog front. EMP ready for next fight. We're ulting. We have 1 kill. Maybe save ults. Try to save ults if you can. EMP ready. Save ults if you can. Save ults if you can. We have kills. We have kills. Good shit, guys. Good shit. We have EMP and supercharger for the final fight. 30 seconds. They're gonna have to mad dash.
Barrage too.
They're gonna have to mad dash. Get ready for it. Expect it. I'll try to hack whoever's in the front.
Fall back.
I'll try to hack whoever's in front. Okay, they're pushing. They're pushing. EMP in the front. EMP in the front. Here it is. Oh yeah, this is it.
Moira, get the Moira. She's in with the point. Nice shot, guys.
Good job.
Good
Easy
hold.
win.
Gracias.
Oh man. That this dude avoid his teammates. Fucking retarded. I don't care if you helped us win. Like, I'm not cool when people who don't join Team GC. Who was that other guy with the mic?
I have no idea.
Me?
Yeah. Uh, 1.22. Uh, 1.22 season 9 April 12th 2018. It's Lofty Vagary, a Thursday in transmission.